Ever wonder what crucial health insights might have been missed during your school years? This video dives into 10 essential health truths you likely never learned. We're often taught basic biology, but the nuances of true well-being are frequently overlooked. This content is for anyone looking to bridge that knowledge gap and gain a deeper understanding of their own health. The current educational system, while valuable, often focuses on general health concepts, leaving out practical, everyday applications that can profoundly impact our long-term health. Truth 1. Your gut isn't just for digestion. It's intricately linked to your immune system, mood, and overall vitality. A healthy gut means a healthier you. Truth 2. Sleep is fundamental. It's not a luxury, but a necessity for hormone regulation, cognitive function, and physical recovery. Skipping sleep has immediate and long-term consequences. Truth 3. The power of whole, unprocessed foods cannot be overstated. Eating real, natural ingredients fuels your body optimally, preventing disease and boosting energy far more effectively than processed alternatives. Truth 4. Hydration is more than just drinking water when you're thirsty. Optimal hydration supports every bodily function, from nutrient transport to organ performance, and can even impact your energy levels. Truth 5. Consistent movement, not just intense workouts, is key. Incorporating daily activity, whether it's walking, stretching, or light exercise, is more sustainable and beneficial than sporadic, grueling routines. Truth 6. Chronic stress is a silent killer. It impacts everything from your cardiovascular system to your mental clarity. Learning effective stress management techniques is vital for your physical health. Truth 7. Moderate sun exposure is crucial for vitamin D synthesis, which supports bone health, immune function, and even mood. Balance is key to enjoying the sun's benefits safely. Truth 8. There's no one-size-fits-all diet. Personalized nutrition, based on individual needs, genetics, and lifestyle, is far more effective than following generic diet trends. Truth 9. We are constantly exposed to environmental toxins. Being aware of and minimizing exposure to pollutants in food, air, and household products can significantly reduce your health risks. Truth 10. Your mental and physical health are inseparable. Emotional well-being directly impacts physical health, and vice versa. Nurturing both is essential for holistic health. By understanding these often overlooked health truths, you're empowered to make informed choices for a healthier, happier life. This knowledge is your superpower for long-term well-being.